Alright, this is how we do. Fucking crazy wild style, man. Fucking just fish on the sticks, dude. Just chop their head off. This guy was doing what he's doing. I want to get rain on my shit.
Here's what's going on.
It's pretty fucking crazy, man.
Let me narrate everything that's going on.
It's pretty crazy. Alright, here's the narrator.
My man right here, Eric Murcia, is a straight man versus wild fanatic.
I love that show.
I was like, how are we gonna cook this? He's like, we're gonna stick them on sticks. After we caught all these fish, we got like 7 fish, and we're in the middle of this goddamn lightning storm. It's raining on us while this fire is going on, and he somehow still managed to get it going. That's pretty crazy. I bet you thought that I was kidding when I said that this was gonna be a crazy road trip. Well, we're out here in the rain. I'm in my freaking $500 jacket, skewering raw fish. That's right.
Yo, what up?
It's retarded. It's retarded. We retarded out here. And we're gonna eat these off of it.
Bones and all, man.
Yeah.
Who gives a fuck?
Like,
Just spit them out.
Wild style.
Let's fucking spit them out.
Roll, but,
there we go. That's how we do. Pretty insane. We got 3 fish going at once. I believe you saw the baby fish we caught earlier. I forgot if I videotaped that, and he was also helping me gut them and clean them and stuff. But yeah, this is crazy. Signing off.